Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create WooCommerce color swatches for variable product attributes. This feature is incredibly useful for showcasing product variations visually, making it easier for customers to select their preferred options at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all our changes. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for managing your store. Click on Products and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Attributes. This is the foundation for creating our color swatches, so it's an important starting point. Now we're going to create the attribute that will serve as the base for our swatches. On the Attributes page, you'll see a form where you can enter details, type in an attribute name. For this tutorial, we'll use color since we're specifically adding color swatches. Next, enter a slug name for this attribute. The slug is typically just a lowercase version of your attribute name. Now, under the Type drop-down menu, select Color. This tells WooCommerce that this attribute will display as color options. Once you've filled everything out, click on Add Attribute. After the attribute is added, you'll see it listed in your attribute list. Click on Configure Terms to move forward. Here's where you'll define the actual colors for your swatches. Enter the name of the first color you wish to use. Then, on the bottom part of the screen, you'll see a color picker. Click on it and select the exact shade you want to represent this color option. Once you're satisfied, click on Add New Color. Repeat this process for each color you want to include in your swatches. Take your time here to ensure all your colors are accurately represented. Once you've added all the colors, click on the Save Attributes button. Now head over to the All Products section by clicking on All Products in your left navigation menu. From the All Products section, click on Add New Product. This is where we'll tie everything together and make this item a variable product with our color swatches. Start by entering a product name. For this example, we'll simply call it T-shirt. On the right side panel, add the relevant categories and brand by selecting them from the available options. This helps organize your store and makes products easier to find. Now scroll down until you see the Product Data section. Click on Attributes and add the attribute we created earlier, which was color. In the Values field, select all the colors you configured in the previous steps. This ensures all your color options are linked to this product. Next, click on the Product Data dropdown at the top and select Variable Product. This setting is what allows customers to choose between different variations of the same item. From here, you'll notice a Swatches settings area. Configure the SKU and any unique identifier fields as needed. These details help you keep track of inventory and variations internally. Once everything looks good, save this product by clicking on Publish in the top right part of your screen. Give it a moment to process and save all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created WooCommerce color swatches for variable product attributes. Your customers can now visually select their preferred color options, which enhances their shopping experience and makes your store look more professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.